Hello, I'm Lee from Mikro. This video is to show how to configure the setting for PFR with the import or export power condition in the power systems. So this is the example case in single line diagram, which the solar power is into LCDB1. Solar power input is after the PFR city location, whereby this will cause the PFR city to detect power flow in two directions, which is import or export. PFR city will detect import power if the solar power is less than consumption power, or it will detect the export power if the solar power is more than the consumption power. So to do this, we need to press the mode button until the switch program. Okay, now the switch program here is showing automatic functions. Automatic function means it's only operate under import power condition, and it has the automatic city priority corrections, and we don't want this. We need to change the auto to FQR and then press the program button again. Okay, this FQR switching program is similar to the automatic switching program, except that this switching program allows the power factor regulator to operate correctly under the both import power and export power condition. Under export power condition, the active power is feedback to supply mains by another energy sources such as solar power in this case. When this option is selected, the installer must ensure that the city priority is correctly wired, because the automatic city priority correction is disabled under FQR switching program. So FQR is as showing in this diagram. It operates in these four quadrants. Okay, next we need to verify the city priority. Is it correct? We press the mode button. Back to our automatic here, it shows the power factor indications. So what we need to do here, we need to turn off the solar energy generation in this case to ensure that it's only import power in the grids. So after we turn off the solar generation, if we see the positive sign here, let's say 0.91, the negative here is missing. After we turn off the solar, means the priority is already correct and no any changes on wiring need to be done. So if after we turn off the solar generation, we see the negative sign here, negative 0.91, means the indicative of export and import power is wrong. We need to do the city priority corrections. So to do the correction on the city priority by hardwired, we recommend to shut down the power on the main to do the city priority corrections. Okay, this is the terminal diagram shown on the videos. We need to exchange the wiring terminals 17 and 18. Okay, so this is what happened after we swap the CT S1 S2, now showing the correct indication 0.91, which is import power condition when the solar is turned off in inductive. So the PFR will operate as normal. So there is two possible conditions may occur after the solar is turned on. First, if the import power more than the export power, or export power is more than the import power. So if the import power is more than the export power, it will show 0.9 something as the indicative of positive power factors. If the export power is more than the import power, it will show the negative sign. For example, negative 0.9 inductive. So once the procedure is done, keep a close observation on the PFR operation to check if the PFR function normally to compensate the power factor to target settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.